In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Perplexity AI. If you want to make Perplexity AI easier to use in your preferred language, the good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. You can do everything directly from the main interface in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Perplexity and make sure you're on the main screen. Once you're there, look toward the lower left corner of the page. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on the profile icon or profile section. This is where Perplexity keeps your account-related options and personal settings. So it's the first place you'll need to open before making any interface changes. After clicking your profile, a menu will appear with different settings and options. In that menu, look for the language option. Once you find it, click on language. This will open the area where you can control the language used in the platform. If you don't see it right away, just take a second to scan the menu carefully, because it should be listed among the available settings. Once the language settings are open, you'll be able to choose from the available languages. At this point, simply select the language you want to use. After you click your preferred option, Perplexity AI will update the interface language based on your selection. In many cases, the change applies right away, so you should immediately notice menus, labels, and other interface elements appearing in the language you chose. If the update doesn't appear instantly, give it a moment or refresh the page to make sure the change fully takes effect. This can help if the platform needs a second to reload the interface. That's all it takes to change the language on Perplexity AI. Just open your profile from the lower left corner, click language, and then select the language you want. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient the platform feels to use. If you're following along while watching, pause as needed, and make the change at your own pace. Once you've set your preferred language, you should have a smoother and more personalized experience using Perplexity AI.